Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Pacer Pro and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the middle button right here and keep holding it until you see the Polar logo on the screen. Once you see the logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.